Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. This video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign-up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Welcome to our fans on the TV. It's the MTN8, Orlando Pirates 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. I'm joined by Baba Hunter and Max.
Steve, Grande Brock. Steve, I'm happy, I'm not happy. Ki happy got someone who's on the spine, bro.
Yes.
I also feel like this spine, on the spine. Don't saying happy guy, I go to let draw, but at least one goal away.
Yeah.
One goal away, and then next week, I got one goal, Rabo press.
Yeah.
Fail. Harry to Zalala next year, Marosa Lebo. Yeah, one goal, Rabo press.
And then it's child.
Yeah, it's child, Rabo. So then the other thing, Steve, first level, I run up, Logag Chega. Next happy because of the speak to the coach Shalulile.
Yeah, Peter.
Are Shalulile and then are Mefisu.
Sure.
Not like Mefisu, he did something wrong. No.
Yes.
But game is on. Why need a couple, bro? I need a Logana couple as a supporter.
Yes.
Gabatela Shalulil, Mefisu Braga, Odadila, but Hamladika can finish.
Yeah.
I'm good get finish.
It's not a finish.
Yeah, I'm not getting finishing.
Yeah.
Game is on the first half, bro. Yeah, never game on the first half. But what is happening, Braga, Harry, Galar Castle, and the other sim Braga, Kinkabela, Codifenata, Tawana Sandos.
Yeah.
Guys, please, I get everyone send respect to good player at a role.
Yes.
Tabaya Sabatagona Duraga Tito Braga doesn't show respect into you.
Yeah.
It doesn't show respect.
Yeah.
Kilpaya Rona Bro, I put the national team.
Yeah.
I want to respect into Overfit.
Yeah.
I get right. The Sundowns Tito Zala Pirates, but I get right. It doesn't show respect, man. I show when respecting good player and Taron.
Yeah.
Jacoba Bravo Sabata and Taron. Sure.
This is my cousin Lesnar.
Yeah.
This is our niece, KK. Both of them are Chief supporters,
Okay.
Chief lovers.
Yeah.
He says he's happy about one thing.
I'm happy.
Yeah.
I say Pirates, they're making Sundowns very tired. They must play midweek, then they must play Pirates again on Saturday.
Yes.
By the time they get us on the 27th,
Yeah.
it's a wounded horse.
Yeah.
We'll be enjoying eating them once again.
Yeah.
Once again, we invited them just to nibble on something.
you kill them?
12 points in the bag.
Yeah.
Danko.
And on my side, the game was fair.
Yeah.
Even the stats of the game is going to show you that the game was fair. Equal goals on target.
Yeah.
Possession was similar. It was 50-something to 40-something.
Yes.
So the stats is going to tell you it was a fair game. Passes, we had more passes than them, but at the end of the day, the scoreline was an accurate description of what we saw on the field.
Yes.
I'm looking forward to changes in the week.
Yeah.
So that we can test something and do something better at home on Saturday.
Yeah.
It was tough to call a man of the match. I don't even know who. Man of the match, bro.
Can she give me a man of the match?
For me, Evidence was the man of the match from Pirates. He played a very good game. I think it was fun to watch as a neutral. So I'm keen to play Sundowns. I think we're gonna trap them.
Last question. Gaten McKenzie. Mr. Minister, Gaten McKenzie. Where is our VAR? Where is our VAR? Please. You promised us. We are asking nicely. I think it's going to help us see the true reflection of the game. I don't believe it was offside. I'm yet to see it, but I don't believe it was an offside. I don't believe so. But nevertheless, please, where is VAR? You promised us. Thank you.
Thank you.